Here we are. At nandito po yung leader ng lahat.
Leader ng mga baby.
Basa po kami, basa. Dahil gabi na kami dumating at umulan pa. Ayun. Ito pala yung aming macho dancer. Boom boom pow. Boom boom pow. Alright guys, good morning. Magandang araw ngayon, sumikat. Pero ang boses ko ay hindi maganda, malat. We are preparing breakfast with native coffee. Mabuti na nandito ang aming yaya, Yaya Tin. Good morning guys. Welcome to Binanuan Resort, Eco Resort. Like, subscribe, parang